Our constellation that we did today is Leo. Leo is a constellation that's supposed to resemble a lion. It has 8 stars in its system, one of which is the brightest star in the constellation, Regulus. With a
absolute magnitude or apparent magnitude?
right assonance of 10 hours and 8 minutes, 22 point... Sorry, I can't read this.
Seconds. Should go hour, minutes, seconds.
What's DEC?
Declination.
Declination. Is at 11 degrees, 58
Minutes.
58 minutes.
And you know there's 60 minutes in a degree, so I mean it's almost up at 12. 12, and that means it's 12 degrees above the horizon. All right? 12 degrees above the equator, the equatorial plane. Okay?
I got it.
Its absolute magnitude is 1.40. Apparent magnitude is 1.40. Its absolute magnitude is 0.52. It's the brightest star in the constellation, and it is 79.3 light years from Earth. Another star is Coex. Its right ascension is 11 hours 14 minutes, 14 seconds. Its ascension is 15 degrees. Its apparent magnitude is 3.32. Its distance is 165 light years. Its absolute magnitude is 20.5.
Another star is Denebola, which its right assonance is 11 hours 49 minutes and 3.57834 seconds, and its
Declination?
declination is 14 degrees 34 I don't know, and
It goes minutes and seconds.
minutes
Degrees, minutes, and seconds on everything.
and 19 seconds, and its apparent magnitude is 2.14, and the absolute magnitude is 1.92, and the distance is 35.9 light years away, and another star is Algebra, which its right assonance is 10 hours, 19 minutes, and 58.35 seconds. And declination is 19 degrees, 50 minutes, and 29 seconds. And the approximate magnitude is 2.08, and the absolute magnitude is negative 0.27. The distance is 130 light years.
Negative 0.27. What was Regulus? Do you remember? The apparent magnitude? You don't? Okay.
1.40.
Whichever's got the lowest number is the brightest. And you told me Regulus was the brightest. I think the Regulus is the brightest. So you might want to check your numbers there. Okay, go ahead.
Zosma, the right ascension is 11 hours, 14 minutes, 6.5 seconds, and the declination is 20 degrees. Apparent magnitude is 2.56. Absolute magnitude is 1.29, and the distance is 58.4 light years away. I don't know how to pronounce this one. It's like Adhafera. The right ascension for that one is 10 hours and 16 minutes, 41 seconds, and the declination is 23 degrees. Apparent magnitude is 2.19, and absolute is 3.33, and the distance is 274 light years away.
Well done.
Constellations has an RA of 11 hours and 23 minutes and 55 seconds. The declination is 10 degrees. The apparent magnitude is seems like it's been erased. What?
Can't tell?
Can't tell. Looks like I got a raise.
All right, we'll punt then. Keep it going.
The absolute magnitude is 3.94. The distance is
79 light years.
LYs are light years.
no, I know that, but there's this other sign. 79 light years. How do you say it?
Right
I think it's
ascension.
pronounced Tau Leonis.
Constellations has an RA of 11 hours, 27 minutes, and 56 seconds. The declination is 2 degrees. The apparent magnitude is 4.95. The absolute magnitude is 5.54. And the distance is 621 light years.
All right, those are our stars. Tell us about Leo.
The true story of, or the mythological story of Leo is that Leo is the Nemean lion in which Hercules killed in his first of 12 labors. The lion supposedly raided the land and killed all those that came near it. The story that we came up with is that the gods had a horse named Leonidas, which was the god of war's personal steed. When it died in a war between gods, it was remembered by the god of war by crafting these stars in its honor.
So it looks more like a horse than a lion to you, huh? Maybe laying down horse, huh? Because that's what Leo looks like up there in the night sky. Which you will see it about midnight. If you go out and it's dark enough you can see, or not cloudy, you'll see Leo up there. Let's hear it for them. All of them. Nicely done.